Good evening, everyone. Hello, 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 hello. Good evening. If you are just coming, good evening. Hello, good evening, everyone. Now, welcome. I can't see chat. Ekolo. Pedro. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Let's have a chat. Good evening. Good evening. Hello. Hello, leader. Cosa leader? Io non parli francese, solo inglese. How are you guys doing? If you are just coming, you are welcome. Happy Wednesday, happy Thursday. How we dey? You're in the house. I made room for two people. Good evening, guys. Now, good evening. Now, welcome. You just have to listen to me. I just want to let you know I am ready to be for you, even if it's summer or winter. All I got to was stay from you is the chance to let me know. I wanna be your hamburger and your anger together. Baby, give me the little chance, so baby, give me the little space, so give me the little chance, so I want to be your captain, I want to be your captain, I want to be your captain, I want to be your captain. Oh, they say love is no matter. I want to be your captain. Good evening, Kevin son. Welcome back. Expect me, expect me, expect me. There's video that I want to show you guys here. Someone sent me the video yesterday, so the video day one kind, no more upload them. Now the video I define, so I never see him. Oh my goodness. I no see am for here. They come and check the order of my phone. Kevin son, you didn't miss me. Who miss me? Who miss me? If you not miss me, I miss myself. I be not be so that they talk am.
sorry, you cannot download this thing because it's very difficult for you to download it or have it in your file. Oh signora, perché non funziona? Kevin, share it before we go to the topic. Thanks for the love. Okay. Get one video when I won't show now for you. Now somebody sent that for me yesterday, but I not just furious. Here is the video, for crying out loud. And the video be this one. So this video somebody sent out for me yesterday evening. I don't know whether or the same. Oh signore. Wow, I don't even get battery for this phone. So now the video be this one. I don't know whether or not they see this video, but I don't want put voice. I never put volume. I will put the volume on here with it that they talk sha. Sometimes some people not really know as in what it really bring us come this Europe. You see someone else sent me this video yesterday night. Why I not upload them? Because this is my page. Since almost a week I not enter because of one video when I upload. So I not enter the page. So I not enter the page because of that video. So I no more can upload this one. May not come be say they just still they knew they open up because they give me 7 days strike. I think so. So since there I know your upload them. I know your upload video. I no feel like person video. I no feel she say I miss you. I miss you too. Kevin, so I miss you too. You sure? Who miss me? Who miss me? If you not miss me, I miss myself. So because of this video, because of that video when I upload, I no fit enter the page again. So I dey fit enter the page, but I no fit upload anything. I no fit post anything at all because of that video. So they got to tell me say make I drop the video or make I go appeal for them. So I be go appeal, but I can't look am. The appeal not go well, so I need to just leave the video to face the penalty, you understand? Because the video dey rough one kind, and person when I come say tag the video too, come be say come be like say the thing come make the video dey one kind. So as person send me this video that yesterday night, this one happen for Italy here, and this one for happen for camp for Italy here, and this one for happen. I don't know whether or not they hear me because I don't want to shout, okay? I'll still do my hair very soon. So I don't know whether or not they hear me. So this video, I know say a lot of people go say why she can't bring the video come, because I don't want to upload them for my page. You understand? Now I make I break up come like that. As if you see, and I silent the voice. Some people they don't really know what to bring they come this Europe. Like somebody come they talk for the background, which is this girl come they say she get police, make she get ogbalegbe, make he beat her, make you use cloth take cover im mouth. My question be say, as una dey gather dey beat dis person, the one wey dey ground na Igbo girl, the one wey dey up wey wear red na Yoruba girl. Fine, I no really I don't know whether una dey hear me. So the one wey dey up na Yoruba girl, the one wey dey down na Igbo girl. So sometimes we go come this Europe, we go dey feel say maybe some, especially those wey really know where they pass, go not be person wey pass flight come I dey talk. So maybe your pass flight come, they just invite you like student visa, or you come for school, or you come from, as in those wey really pass that desert come here. I'm not sure say they really know wetin carry them come, you understand. Imagine this kind thing dey happen for camps, this kind one happen for camp. Tomorrow courage they'll say casino, this one happen for Mativaki, na it for happen for camp for Mativaki, na it for happen. The person wey send that to me, as he see the video, he even dey speechless, because most of us we dey feel say see why love. Good evening, sir. Meanwhile, please share the video. They don't even give you notification, so make you share am. You are welcome. So sometimes we go your office say abeg you, make we do am. If for example, for instance now, these two people really as they gather dey beat the girl now, the girl call just gbeme like that. For example, that one when he say get police, say yes, so he get police, so he get ogbalegbe, he go call ogbalegbe. That one not be problem. May I tell you, here not be Nigeria. Oh. If you want hear the voice, let me know. I go play am small. Yeah, not be Nigeria. One thing we need to know, say yeah, not be Nigeria. We be say you go just stay, say I want just do anyhow, or maybe you married to ogbalegbe, you come fit say yeah na Nigeria. If then their wife, maybe they will commit crime for this country where they so, they no care to know whether you marry ogbalegbe. You go face the penalty, you go face something, you go face the law of the country, and that one most people not really know about. You go face the law, as in the law when they follow the country, you go face them. You know me say you marry ogbalegbe, they'll call you say because say your husband na police, yeah, because say your husband na officer. I pray oh, the law where they follow the country, you go face them. If you see wetin they do this girl when they ground, even the girl they beg. May I tell una one thing for this Europe, una need to know. According to this one way be say the video, then say you go put am for status. So you not do your auntie. If this lady na really your auntie, you not do am well, okay? For example, say na really your auntie, you not do am well. Not be good you do am bad, because one, she did the one way they grant, yeah, bring everything come out. Sometimes we go dey hide our body for boys when they like they gist us, you understand. We go dey say abeg this boy they talk to me, I don't want me see my body, I don't want me see my boss. But if you come to the extent of fight, now that person where you dey run for say make you not see your boss, now that person I go see video you no go forget that boss that time, you go forget that place, say that place they ground. Then you come post and you they say not cause my auntie again. My dear, if this lady na your auntie, for example, say na your auntie, even though say na she bring her, or not be she bring her, she can't talk to her, and as fast as she know they pay her bill, you can't talk to person anyhow, she go return that customer, you understand. You know, say this Europe now be one kind place where be say even 12 years pikin enter this Europe, as far as you don't fit cross that place entire, then they feel say all of us na the same, you understand. Maybe the cost when your auntie they cost and the thing pay now, she got to return the cost to her, because una be three, only she una you can't use this one they beat her, this one they video her, this one they use cloth they cover her mouth. is very bad. Then the other one wan talk one word when it really motivates me say I need to post this video, but I fit still post the video, but I never know. So the thing wey motivate me for this video, when e come say no worry, beat am, cover a mouth, e faint, make e faint, I get ogbalegbe, I get ogbalegbe, no worry. If e set now this your aunty, you go run leave am. If this your aunty even get pikin, maybe they come carry the pikin give you, you go even run leave am go your boyfriend and leave the children comot. Sometimes more we no dey use our hand take dey draw pain dey put for ourselves. Later we come dey regret and say e get some kind thing wey you person go do you your reason where you for dey come. You say abeg make dem just carry their wahala go. You understand? Me I stay camp, I stay camp. Yes, e get some kind thing wey go dey sup for that camp. I just carry my if na down step now we dey the thing dey happen, I suffer carry my bag, I suffer enter house because I know where I for dey come. If you know where I for come, you no go pray for me make I fail. So for that reason, I no want make I use my hand to fail. Imagine this kind video now. Una wait because na camp na have this one for happen. See, imagine this kind video now. The girl just by mistake your faint now. It don't finish, or maybe the enemy come pass on. Not be the one I take they talk so. Not be the one I take think. You understand? And that your auntie where you dey turn, my auntie stop to dey curse my auntie. That your auntie go run. That you go run leave that your auntie. You understand? You go run. You say God bless you for all your good work. Thank you. See why love. Thank you. You go run leave that your auntie. You understand? That your auntie, you go run leave and say abeg, not be me send am. The time when they tell her say don't do, you know e no hear. The one I go talk for that your auntie back, now I go for am. Because na the morale wey you dey give your auntie, now I make am. You see, I no wan show the place where I boost for the ground. I no go show that place at all. So say fight, the boost come the ground, everything come just expose. Like really. You see, I no go show that place, okay? If una dey do some kind things, una dey reason say this country where we dey so, if our country good well, we no go dey here. We go remain for our country, you understand? If our country really good well, we go dey our country. As far as say you don't dey another man land, respect that room where dey there. Respect am. The same thing wey happen to these people, so now still happen for get one place when this another one for still happen. This one are boys, so they just dey fight for middle of train, where train for the pass, the middle they just dey throw blow. Ogbalegbe na come people dey settle them like those wey no know Ogbalegbe. I dey want me I dey put my thing direct, okay? Because as far I dey introduce something, na be police. Now they call they settle these people for there, as in they settle there. They not even here. It be like say I see get them one video. They're not here. They lie. The matter not go end for there. Waiting with the gain. Waiting be really our gain for his side. We be say we Africa we go dey bite ourselves. Imagine. We go bite ourselves. We go fight ourselves, and the worst part of it, if they don't they hold us, we not call the year again. Why? We not go call year again. And the video be this one. Now center of train, where train they pass. Now this one for the throw blow so. Now there for the now see Italy, this one for happen. Tomorrow we dey sha work no dey Italy o. Work no dey Italy o. Work no dey. How they go give us work with our character? I remember one place when I carry Korikoro go, which is last year or last 2 years. As I reach there, dem fit say me no hear wetin dey talk. I drop the Korikoro because na online now for apply. As I apply for online, they say make I come their office. I come carry the kurikoro reach there. As the woman just see my name, he all read down like this. He hold the paper, he all read down. God, it's so funny. You see there. He come tell the other one wey sit down here and say, "Let's say Nigeria na." Na other one come say, "See," say, As he talk like that, I call because I be face another place. Me, I not call your look. They don't understand. Say I no hear wetin they talk. They no agree talk pass like that. So I call yours face the place. I not just shake. And the one me I hear wetin they talk. Say, Nigeria na say no problem, eh? Now so the woman just tell the man, the work they oh no wetin the man tell me. Tell me say make I wait. Say they go send me message for email. All till today. I don't work first work. The work finish. They carry me go another one. At that work, they not call me till today again just because of my name. Why? Because they feel say because of wetin some of our black they do, eh? Because of wetin some of our black they do, they not gonna know the good one among us again. Not be say they're too good though, but our own worst. On our day camp, despite say according to one brother, say na so pasta we dey eat. Fine, you dey pasta. If you don't see where they eat pasta, pass Libya road. Those way pass Libya road. If you see one Oza bread eat, you go thank God. But you dey camp that they give you pasta, that they give you small money. That money, why you not use and go to buy food or just if they on a feed they cook? Why you not use the money to buy food, cook? You know say you know they eat pasta again. You understand? You know say you know they eat pasta again. Because our character, now they make tomorrow go reach now, I'll say maybe this one gets picky now. Tomorrow go reach now, go crack come and say they collect the picky for you. But you don't really know what happen. And most people when they cry, they come out, they will never tell you truth. They will never tell you truth. Because this one go the fetch water, make a pocket full. This one go fetch water, put for a bucket, make it full, because they're not go ever tell you the truth. Never. I remember when one of our sisters when still come out last 2 months like that, when he say, but as people begin to they dig, it could be say, if they really say me, they really talk where in for Riabe, Imeni. Where he for do wrong in many, because this country with some people they reason and say in Africa pikin dey 10 years for Africa, e don dey cook, e don dey go kitchen, e don dey go market, e don dey go anywhere wey e wan go by himself, e don dey go farm go dey fetch firewood dey come. Dem feel say dem mentality na dem dey use for abroad wey pikin go dey. Then their self, if dem do am to their children, if white do am to their children, they can never collect their child. Why? Because then they work. They not even they depend for their own, maybe the small thing where they come for government. No, they work regularly. They not get that time. You understand? But sometimes, if black do that thing where they do, they go see as an offense. Why? Because we dey under them. We dey benefit for them. My ex-boss, when I fed the war follow, the children, they go markets, you understand, that they do things by themselves, 10 years, 12 years. But if now black do what those children they do, if they even see them or they notice them, they will collect that children. But as far as saying that their country, if mama they work, if papa they work, they can never. Me and my husband go one bar one day. Small pikin of 2 years. Now white so 2 years. Mama don't drink, papa don't drink. The small pikin come fall for step because as he see my little baby, because that my baby now see 2 years. As he see my little baby come run, they come meet us. Before me run reach where the pikin they come in, no say that baby go fall. Before me run reach there, the baby don already from step 4 come down. Then these people still dey that the same bar. They not even care whether children, the pikin where they carry come say fall. Never. But if now black person pikin fall from that place come down, instantly they will carry phone. They don't care about balegbe. They'll say no, they take off the pikin. See where the pikin for fall. because say na white, these people na white, im mama na white, im papa na white, because say na white, that pikin for, even my husband go see me and say, the pikin your fault, go say no fai niente, fai casino, that is, it no mean anything, it no mean anything. They continue with the drink wey they drink. Make black try am, pikin fall like that. Before you know, Gbalegbe don stand with you, because why? If they check the detail, you know they work, you know they really they care for the pikin. Nothing. They'll say, this one, no. You not deserve this pikin. You understand? You know they pay tax. You dey under them. The pikin wey they use because of how they take off you, you know go fit still care for. If pikin see they wear all this one for the fight that day, they not go see send the pikin. They not go see send. If they not care not take time, they go even push that baby for through way. Mo will pull little voice. Mo na hear wetin they talk. If you are hearing what they are saying, just say something. Say yes. Turn. I didn't see your chat. I'm coming. Les, good evening. I'm coming. 1 minute. Say turn on the light. Make we see you well. I should turn the light off or I should turn it on. I don't understand. Kevin's son, complete that your comment. So me the plan. If una dey yet waiting that they talk, Mona say something.
Better. I'm not your guy. I'm not worried. You're your guy. I'll put an avocado soup.
You hear am say I go put una for status so, but she claims say na her elder sister, but she go put her elder sister nakedness, as in her elder sister naked, put for status. She do that her sister well like that. She go put her sister like me na my sister, my elder sister with person dey fight. I'll come video am, come put am for status. You not separate them. You not fit say don't do. You not fit drop that phone separate them. But you, I don't know what really they happen for Africa nowadays. Oh, that's our blood. Good evening. Good evening, love. How are you? How is everything? You are welcome. I don't really know what they happen for most time. I don't really know what they happen for Africa nowadays. Before, two people go they fight, you go see one go they separate. You understand? Who go carry bet, go carry bet. I remember that time. If my two brothers they fight, this one go carry bet, this one go carry slipper, go they beat this one, they beat this one, they beat this one, so that make them leave each other. Nowadays they know they do that one again. If two people they fight, they go say, no, leave them, make they fight, leave them, make they fight. Isoko boy go carry on. I'm a boy go carry on. Leave them, make they fight. So one go carry on. Make that person by mistakenly just faint. You'll see that they go 1-1. 1-1. 1-1. Now they go they come out. Maybe now who don't know what happen. Maybe the person just they pass. You can't see the person lie down. Now you go say, what did they do this one? he go run say make he go carry am. That one I go come carry the problem put for head. The meanwhile people wey supposed to separate them make that thing not lead to that faint or lead to that death, they don already push them, fight am. But where the problem happen? This one happen for Motivaki.
That back, no let now connect that to.
You see am? Say me bet am back oh. Say me bet am back. This one happen for Motivaki.
Okay, we are that well.
One thing wey they still dey do wey I still want put them. One na Yoruba girl, one na Igbo girl. But a lot of people sure na yes say that they speak Benin now. Just as me, they speak Benin. One thing one need to know. Inside Benin, Delta dey. Inside Benin, Igbo dey. Inside Benin, Yoruba dey. Inside Benin, another tribe dey, Hausa dey. As they speak Benin, so sure you see their Benin clear. All one na be wedo. Understand? We say. Just as I they speak, me I be Delta Okurobo me una know na. Just as then they speak, so you understand. You see another say we do na so that they fight. They can never speak their language. If you come to bad thing, they not go fit speak their language. In Igbo, you not speak Igbo. Yoruba dey, you not speak Yoruba. But what he speak Benin. He speak Benin and he Benin clear finish. But tomorrow go reach now. Maybe somebody see this video for Facebook now. They post that. They say, "If you do rianje, yangbi nagbe, ekenezo yeva na miya." They can never speak their language. Never. Because they won't clean bath come up for their own. But may they stay on another person own.
You vex me, right? Vex me. Mommy, you get it? My best is that Yoruba.
Yeah, man. You say you bet me. You dey fight me. Oh Yoruba, now you dey fight. You understand? And now there you come from make sure you tribe. You say good evening. How body na? Abeg. Later you go send me the video. Okay, later I will send you the video, no problem. You don dey gather dey beat am o. See wetin our people dey do. Say make put cloth for a mat, make e no shout. They come really dey pack cloth, they put for a mat. This one happen for here. If na Africa, they'll say na Nigeria, they no get law, nothing go happen. This and this. This one happen for here. We supposed to protect ourselves. We supposed to protect ourselves. You no go see, You no go see Senegalese, say that they fight themselves like this. We be say they go out they fight. No of they go home. You no go see. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I not really know. At least we be Africa. More we sit down. Nowhere we for they come. Like those people. You get somebody when he send me video from Nigeria now for Senegal for me. I tell her, I not go talk about them. He say why? Now wait till you ask me. I say I not go talk about them. Till today I not talk about that video, but I watched the video. He explained himself. I not talk about that video. The person had deported from here 2 months ago. Deported from here 2 months ago. This person when I dey talk, he dey Nigeria now deported from here 2 months ago. Now they feel say Italy no dey deport. Italy dey deport. They hide dey deport, but una no go know. Una no go know. Now feel say maybe Italy no dey deport. Na only Germany dey deport. Try am. Italy, they dey deport. They dey deport. I don see person wey be say e go Custoria go collect the documents. They hold am for there. E no fit go house go collect anything. They escort am reach, make sure say they put am for that place where they wan put am. Make e call a person for house, okay, make e bring so cloth for am. They say lie. They say lie, but we dey feel say maybe as in once we don dey here finish, Italy no dey deport, my dear. Pray. If they really leave auntie with this girl, say make they fight, body go tell this auntie because say they be theory. The girl not be my sister. Muna no call the quote me run say maybe na I'm a boss sister. Not be my sister. When I hear the tribe, the one way they ground where they cry so na Igbo. The one way they up na Yoruba, which is the one way wear us blood na Yoruba. Me I be better, but where truth dey, I dey want my dey there. You understand? If they really leave two of them, say make they really set for blow. These are elders. This is sister when he claims say na his sister. When he naked, everything they ground. He post am for status. This is sister. Body go tell him because they be theory now. The girl not fit withstand there. Now make like this. So as the girl tired, I come like say that they put cloth for a mat, make for no shout. I pray, sha. You know say one thing now. Igbo na one kind people wey be say their war not dey finish o. Their fight e no dey finish. Na not see Biafra. All till now they are still moving on. Their war not dey finish o. So may you get am for mind. If una dey the same can be careful because Igbo people their war e no dey finish. They say that fight and run away will come back another day. You understand? Me, I go upload the video maybe with time. Alex, good evening. I go upload the video maybe with time. I go upload the video because I don't want to upload video now because of the strike. I say he get police. He say he get police. Nobody go come there. Maybe the police now the one way be say they vandalize and you understand. You coffee say police now one kind person wey be say if you don't date them, if you get crime, they'll call stand for you. That isn't a Nigeria police wey be say if you get crime, they'll say your boyfriend a police or your boyfriend a soldier. You know if you talk to her anyhow, if you talk to her boyfriend a soldier, they'll call the fear. Yeah, you go face the law. You go face the law. Even that your boyfriend when you say you get police, he go deny you. White people, they'll tell you say Nigeria so no why they'll tell you say go because you kick against their love. They cannot save you. Go and face the love. If now 12 years you take come out for there, if you see one make they still continue the love, they go continue. Now so you'll be not be like Nigeria when they say boyfriend may will talk and where or more transfer and go another court. Not be like that. More we use our brain. More we use our brain because things they come. Now remember one certain time, na governor, they even want may they come vote for them. The time does still they come. Who not use the sense now? Maybe sense you can't use you. You understand? The time that they come, that they near when be say Italy, their heart go they as in go they hot. Any small thing, any small thing because they tell they say they need their people for us, and they come vote. So any small thing where you go they do that time, it go they make them they say, oh, yeah, this one was supposed to they ask go vote for your governor. So the time don dey reach, una use sense. No fit say you don dey here, say maybe you don already dey the on top of the hair. Who get document dem dey deport am, talk less of say who no get. So una use una sense. I leave una, una use una sense, because a lot of people go dey feel say maybe na amebo sister. I don't know any of them, but the way they take behave for this video, e show say na camp dey dey, and this one happen for Motivaki. Yes, it happen for Motivaki.
Shut up. I'm not there. Next time, you know wherever it's
Say next time no go ever insult his sister again. Okay, for example, now his sister dey insult the sister dey insult am. Maybe go throw cause go give that one family. You call expect say you go keep quiet, dey look your sister. Wey be say no be your sister pay, no be your sister pay money wey take her abroad. You call sit down dey look. You go throw cause give am, you go throw go meet the family, you go throw go meet the friend, you go throw go meet the cousin. Then you go sit down dey look you say because say your sister na offer and no mega. Na offer and no mega. Wey be say they no go talk to, but you go talk to person. It is well. Now see am. That one be the most important problem when we black get. We go fight. We no go hold each other. Now this one dey happen like this. So before it not be like this. Before, if two people dey fight, you go see who go separate. But now, media don come. A lot of blogger go carry am. Make I share am. Make I post am. Make people see say e body dey ground. After they go say white people dey hate us, white people. This one na our people. You see am. I don't know whether una dey see this one because e dey one kind. You see am. Inside train, where train dey pass, na therefore dey do this one. So imagine say train dey come, shey go make God no let bad thing happen. Say train dey go, e go ground all of them together. You see am. Where train dey pass, na dey just dey. So where inside where train dey pass, na therefore dey throw blow. Ogbalegbe dey even dey hold them. They no even hear. They no even take am. They no hear say may we just leave them, or may we just, as in for example, may we since all these people dey here, may we respect all these people. Nothing like that. They just dey throw the blow inside where train dey pass. Imagine. I pray may God give us sense. Na be my prayer for everybody, because as that our country be so, who don first stay abroad, as you don first stay here, maybe you can't just go for visit, you no go fit stay. Then only the generator noise wey you go dey hear, the sun alone, as in things you go dey even dey pray make the day when you wan comot may e reach, may you comot. Talk less of say you call your go there forever. So make we use our brain, because the way that country dey go now, anyone wey by mistake go there, you no get better money for account. You by mistakenly step your leg or you do something wrong, your enemy come dey there, my dear. Oh God, you go think how you think. I wish I know. Now you call the talk. I wish I know. I for not dey here. So you better use your brain. Now we dey fight ourselves, so wetin we dey drag? Just one thing. This one not be this one, this one not be this one, but we be one blood, we be one country, we be one place. Now we for come. Why we call dey suffer ourselves? For example, why we dey suffer ourselves? So that is it. Why I no go upload the video? If you need the video, I go post am for group. For those of una wey dey the group, I will post am, I will see am for there, because I no wan post am put for my page because of some kind word wey dem dey talk, and some kind word wey dem dey talk, and how the lady body take dey ground. So I no go post am for my page, because anything I post for my page, una know say na public, everybody go see am. So I no wan cover video. I no wan dey cover video wey be say person no go see you like that. If I wan even cover video, I'll cover better video, not be this one, because this one now, your own sister post am for status. Who be me wey no go post am? So that is it. So I thank every one of una wey be say una take come on live with me, and I wan say a very big thank you to you all. A very big thank you to you all. If you dey among those wey be say you dey among crowd, and anything wey dem dey do now, gra, my dear, stay away from that kind of garden. Okay, maybe you be person wey be say you dey among where people dey. Anytime wey you dey where people dey, na so fight, my dear, avoid them. Okay, stay away from those kind thing. Make dem no come see say, because the day wey day go break for each person, e fit be good one, e fit be bad one. So na the one wey we dey pray for, na the good one we dey pray, not be the bad one. So if you be that kind person wey be say you dey camp, respect their rule. Na only their rule go, na you fit benefit from them. Okay, you respect their rule. All this one now, maybe for example now, as they post this thing now, put for status, and social get their wetin dem dey call am, their phone number. Social get their phone number. If they store am, definitely dem must see am for status. Even though say dem no answer dem, dem don already record am down, say see wetin dey do to their self. So abeg, make we dey respect ourselves, and the most important thing, make we dey like ourselves, especially we Nigeria. Make we dey like ourselves. Hatred too much, e no good. Hatred too much. Make we dey like ourselves. You cannot see Ethiopia with Ethiopia that go dey fight. They will say, okay, make dem come the video their self. No, yes, they go separate. Na see country like us, Senegalese dey there, Ethiopia dey there, Ukraine dey there, Morocco dey there. I know say Morocco dey still be like, but you cannot see Morocco like Morocco come dey beat their self, just dey for wetin no matter. They're not still too good, but at least. So I beg my people, seeing this video, you know, dey good. If it dey good, I for don post am, but e no dey good. E no dey good. Tomorrow go reach now, they say dem dey camp, they see they make casino. You surprise say na either living house na dem dey, or normal just face me, I face you. This one bed dey one side, this one bed dey one side. They go break, this one will ease. Na the same thing wey you dey find, now I dey find. Wetin come make you dey ease up and down? You dey find document, I dey find document. You dey find money, I dey find money. We dey the same room. You get your bed, I get my bed. Wetin come dey bring arguments dey come? You see two boys for house, before they quarrel, e dey hard. But we women, if you don complete 3, 2 dey play before, one don come join am, my dear. Among the 3, use your sense. No let person tell you, say, advise you, say, no. You need to use your sense, because they no dey see 3 friends. Na 2 friends they see. Anything make am 3 friend, my dear. Use your brain. And then you see now, say na say e do say, na say e say. So abeg, dem no dey see two friends, but dem no dey see three friends, dem dey see two friends. Two friends fit last, but three friends dem no dey last. Okay? Anything make you and person dey waka, say una be two, another one come use body join una, my dear, be careful. Be careful, because dem no dey see friends. Na just two friends dem dey see. I get friend o, we tight well well, we be two. We dey wear the same cloth, we dey do the same hair, we dey wear the same shoe. But once una don complete three, use your brain. No let dem use you. Use your brain. Use your tongue take count your teeth round. Okay? You surprise say these two people wey dey fight, so they be bestie before, dem dey play. But as they don complete three, my dear, you need to use your sense and respect yourself. Maybe person bring matter come give you, you no know wetin you wan talk with. Just say, abeg, I no your fit talk. I don do one for camp. Somebody carry matter come give me, I just tell am say, abeg, no be that one I just dey think now. I dey think as I wan take get document comot for here. Na the answer when I give the person be that one. I just offer waka pass am, go sit down my own. You understand? Say you don complete two as a friend. Say you be two as a friend. Another one come join una for inside room. My dear, dem no dey see. No say we be three o, we be bestie o. No. Wash your back well. No let person help you wash your back o. Dem no dey see three friends, na two friends dem dey see. If you complete three friends, you know say dem be twins, the same mama, the same papa. They come out the same day for belle. Even twins, even the same mama, they betray the person. Talk less of say bestie. So abeg. They no dey see two friends o. They no dey see three friends, na two friends that they see. Respect the law and respect yourself. No say because I don enter abroad. No. This woman now, e don do him own, e don suffer enter house. But dem dey share im breast dey go. Tomorrow go reach night, go dress, make up, put everything for body, carry big bag, carry Jojo Amali, put for hand, go dey waka. Person go say, no be your breast dey inside this thing that day. No be you that dey share video dey go so. Media na one kind thing wey be say e go dey remind you every year. If the thing you post am maybe don reach a year, go tell you say this thing na 1 year o. Maybe you never wash am that last year, you come wash am this year. If you see reach 2 years, e go still come out again. Na be one thing for media. So as far you are in media, you need to wash well. Make person no wash for you. Wash by yourself. If I be that auntie when the girl dey tell am say I go post am for status, instantly I go suffer leave the girl, go meet am. Abeg show me video when you wan post for status. Because the girl even talk am say I go post una for status o. And not be instantly that girl take post that video, or maybe the video and live video. No, e don video and finish, na e come take post am. But if na some kind people where that her sister burst for throway for ground like watermelon wey be say they cut into two, e for cut that place comot before e post the main fight. E for first post that place comot before e post the fight. E get some kind video wey dem go send for me like this, I no go wan make I post am like that. Wear bad for inside, I go cut am small throway, but I fit put small, but no be all. I fit your flash am to tell person say see the wetin make me post this video. Dem no need am, I go tell am say see the video, than say I go just put am like that. Person dey pray may no born who go put am for trouble. You say na your auntie, na my elder sister. Next time you no curse my elder sister. Why you no cut that place where your elder sister burst for throwaway comot like watermelon? You go cut am throwaway, then paste the 2 video together before you post am for your status. You think say na that girl na image you damage your sister image, because your sister breast now dey fly up and down for social media. You dey use one hand dey blow, dey use one hand to dey pack the breast dey put for inside brazier, which is like, really? Why you no just leave the girl, make you just arrange yourself well? So that is it, and I hope it is well. Wetin don happen don happen. Some go say make e amend. Wetin you wan amend? Wetin don enter media dem still dey fit dey amend am? Wetin don enter media you fit go amend am. Now I get the video, another person get am, another person get am. I post my own, another person post am, another blogger post am. Wetin you wan amend for there again? Tomorrow come reach, innocent pikin wey dey grow dey come dey see im mama breast for media dey fly up and down. Like, really? The children, if you wan talk now, you go say abeg dey go. So that is it. So my people, I need to leave una. So my battery don go off, so I need to go, and I don talk my own. So if you need the video, I go send am put for group, go watch am for there. So thank you everyone for joining us today. I really appreciate. Please share the video and also drop your comment down below. And all the same, I still dey